Welcome to the UVeye exhibition here at Digital Dealer in Las Vegas. We're going to show throughout the next few days how UVeye is setting a new standard for vehicle inspection, whether it's dealerships, auctions, or fleets. Come and see what we're all about.
Hey, welcome to Digital Dealer. My name is Jim Bayline. I'm a regional sales director with UVeye. What I wanted to show you guys today was our detections, how they come up for dealers to use. Very easy, very simple to access. So you see, we label every vehicle that has an issue, which makes it easy for service advisors, vehicle appraisers to pull up, show with customers, and build value right away. So as we look at the underbody scan, you can see the resolution of these images are ultra high res, very easy to drill into and show whatever the issue may be, whether it's rust, leaks, broken or missing parts. Makes it very easy to leverage the technology to build value with the customer.